dot dot dot. Okay, so this is the first lesson on Base44, and in this lesson, we are going to learn the basics of it. We're going to see the basic features, buttons, and how we are getting started. So this is the main page, where you can see we have a box where we can type. It says, describe the app that you want to create. Here, we are just natively speaking and prompting building apps. I will deep dive to it later on. What else we can see here? Let's go to the workspace. I think it's really relevant for internal flows and for companies. So you can see here I have a few workspaces. That's why I don't have a plus icon, there is a limit. So let's just go to one that is already exist. I will press manage, and here you can see, like, the workspace dashboard. You can see the members I have in the dashboard, so currently only me. I can invite other users, but first, I need to buy seats. Because all working in the same workspace, there is a need for a paid account, so I can just choose the subscription I want, choose the amount, purchase the seats, and then everyone can work in the same workspace, working on the same apps, editing them, using them, and it's really, really good and easy for companies to work that way. One more option we have is the SSO. You can just press here. You can set up your company's SSO, logging in that way, authenticating your workspace. Really, really good. And you have domain verification. You can use your workspace domain. Now, let's go to back to the home screen. I will go to my workspace. So what else we have to see here? You can see here I have the apps I'm currently working on, in my workspace, so I can just enter them and go back to editing. Scrolling down from the home page, you can reach the community templates. What does it mean? It basically, apps that are ready to use, so you can just choose one of the apps. Let's see, we have here task management flow. I can press view details. I have here a use template button, and once I'm pressing it, it will just create the app, a copy of the app for me, and will make me the admin of the app. So it's really nice. You can explore it. There are many nice things here. Now, I think we are ready to the main thing. We are ready to our first app build using a prompt. So I will just paste the prompt I already written, and we'll go over it quickly. We'll have more lessons about how to write a prompt correctly with all the structure and everything, but now we can just go over it real quick. So the purpose and target audience, build a team task and project management app for small teams. This is what we are going to build now. What are the entities we want to have? So we want users with their names, email. We want the teams, we want the projects, and tasks. What the pages we would like to see on the app. So we want to have a dashboard, we want a project board, we want the option to create tasks, and we want to have some reports. Additional instructions, so dragging update status, marking done, task highlighted. So we have some more things here. I see that I forgot to add design. Really important, you can also decide the design you want. So let's keep it simple for the sake of this demo. Let's say modern, white, black, and blue.
Black.
Of course, we can add, much more things we can think of, and I'm gonna run it. So while it's running, you can see on the left side, its thinking process and what exactly is it doing. It's really nice. We have here a settings button. We have the AI model button. What does it mean? We can choose the LLM model that we are working with. So we can choose Claude or Gemini or GPT, or just choose automatic. I prefer working that way. I think it just choose for me, making life much more easier. We have the AI controls. Here, we can give custom instructions to Base. So basically, I can tell him, if in this case, we are working on a AT task management app, so I can tell him, that you are a project management specialist, please help me with A, B, C, D. Everything you can think of. You can see, you can also tell him, keep the white, blue theme we choose for future pages and stuff like that. Another option we have here is to freeze files. What exactly does it mean? So basically, Base creating code pages for us. And let's say I'm happy with how the dashboard works, and I want to do a change on the project page. So I'm asking him to do some change, and I don't want in any way that he will touch the dashboard page. So I'm pressing here, saving the changes, and it's freezing the dashboard page, which means it won't be touched, it won't be edited at all. I can see in the background that our app was created, but I want to show you one more thing. So basically here on the bottom left, we have a chat. So basically here, we are asking all the changes or the new features we want to add. So let's say I can tell him, please change the new task button from blue to white, or please add a feature to export reports in CSV. So everything works from here. Let's see our app. Looks really good. I have here the button to hide the chat panel, and, we can view it much more nicely. So we have the dashboard page. Looks really nice. You can see we also have some hovering animations. We can create new tasks. We have the projects page already with some templates he added. We have the reports page with some charts. Looks really good. And we have the team. Currently, we can see me. We can see I'm a member and not an admin, as I would expect. So this is one of the things we are going to change later on. So basically, it created a really nice app, and that's it for now. On the next chapter, we're gonna deep dive to dashboard and how we are managing the app.